Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my new operating system. It's called FireDOS, and um, it's a 16-bit DOS-like operating system. It looks like DOS, but it's not. It's an operating system on its own. I coded the whole thing using assembly, and it runs on a floppy. And yeah, so right now I'm in the basic command line that you will get when you turn the computer on. So, okay, so first of all, if I would type help, then this is what you get. FireDOS version 1.0, and then help shows this message. CLS clears the screen, and dir shows the content of the current directory. Del deletes a file, copies a file, and ren renames a file. And that's all the current commands. Now, okay, so if I type dir, it will show all of the files on the disk. So, okay, and if I type cls, it will clear the screen. Now, when I do copy, and then firedos.sys, and then copy.ext, then I type dir, then you can see that there's a new file called copy.ext, and firedos.sys is still there. So, right, now if I were to do ren copy.ext and then rename .apc, then dir, as you can see, it's successfully renamed to rename.apc. And now, finally, I can do del rename.apc. And there we go. And if I type dir, yeah, so alright, that's all the current commands. It's a really basic sort of prototype operating system. It contains like all the basic code that I'm gonna need to program the upcoming versions. So yeah, it can also run programs. I don't have any programs that I can run right now, but I assure you that it works. If there was a program called program.com and I would hit enter, it would run program.com. If I hit enter right now, it's just gonna give me this message, invalid command or program. So, and you have to type program.com. You can't just type program. It doesn't support that right now. You have to type the full name. And yeah, so, and it does have support for coding your own programs for this operating system. I don't have a C library yet, so you can't program anything in C yet, but you can use assembly. And if you check out my website for this operating system, you will get all the information you need about coding a program for this, and you are also able to download my operating system on my website. You will get a virtual floppy disk image where you can run the operating system on virtual PC or basically any virtual machine. So yeah, that's it for my operating system right now. This operating system actually came out a few days ago, but I decided to make a video now. And I'm already started to work on version 2. There will be a lot of improvements in version 2. Yeah, so anyways, Yeah, I also want to tell you a little bit about how the system works. So you probably already noticed that there are three files on the disk: io.sys, firedos.sys, and command.com. Um, Now, io.sys is simply, it's sort of like an input-output driver. It has like a driver for the keyboard and the screen, and also the disk. So io.sys is like contains like very important stuff. And FireDOS.sys, um, FireDOS.sys is the kernel. Um, it's actually rather empty right now. It doesn't do much. All it really does right now is some error handling. And command.com is the command line shell. Basically what you're looking at right now. So command.com takes input from the user so that you can type in a command, whatever. And it's also so that you can run programs. So what happens when you turn the computer on is that the BIOS runs the bootloader, which is like a hidden code on the first sector of the disk, and the bootloader runs io.sys, and io.sys runs firedos.sys, and firedos.sys runs command.com. And yeah, and that's everything. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and feel free to download on my website. Thank you.